Dear students, myself Shraddhanjali Panda. Let us discuss about Introduction to Communication System. Communication system, it is the ability to send and receive messages. It may be communicated by people to machine, machine to people, machine to machine. Communication system include a message, a sender, a communication channel and a receiver. This is the path over which a message must travel to get from the sender to receiver. This is the basic concept of communication system. It must have a sender and a receiver. In between sender and receiver there is a communication channel. The block diagram of communication system or the model of all type of communication system, it is any type of information sent to transmitter. Your information may be audio, video or computer data etc. transmitted to transmitter through communication channel or medium. It may be wire or wireless, that is free space, fiber optic cable, coaxial cable etc. This is sent to receiver where we can recover our information whatever we send from source. So communication is the transfer of information from one place to another. This is termed as communication. This should be done as efficiently as possible with as much fidelity or reliability as possible, as securely as possible. Communication system, that is components or subsystems, act together to accomplish information transfer or exchange. This is about elements of a communication system block diagram. How to communicate or what are the elements used for a communication system. Any type of data or input message sent to input transducer. Then it is transmitted to transmitter through channel. Again there is a block diagram, that is receiver. Whatever your message getting from channel, this is fed to receiver. Then after this receiver there is a element, output element known as output transducer. After this we can get our output message. These are some elements of a communication system. What are the concepts behind these elements? First one, input transducer. The message produced by a source must be converted by a transducer to a form suitable for the particular type of communication. For example, in electrical communication, speech waves are converted by a microphone to voltage variation. This is one of the example of input transducer. Means it can be converted to any type of an speech wave to electrical signal or physical signal to electrical signal. This is the concept behind input transducer. Then transmitter. The transmitter is a collection of electronic components and circuits that converts the electrical signal into a signal suitable for transmission over a given medium. Transmitters are made up of oscillators, amplifiers, tuned circuits and filters, modulators, frequency mixers, frequency synthesizers and other circuits. What is about channel? Channel can have different forms. It may be atmosphere or free space, coaxial cable, fiber optic, waveguide, etc. It may be used for specific medium, that is, water is the medium for sonar system. One important point is the signal undergoes some amount of degradation from noise, interference and distortion. Then receiver. The receiver's function is to extract the desired signal from the received signal at the channel output and to convert it to a form suitable for the output transducer. What are the other functions performed by the receiver? Some other upper functions are amplification, that is, the received signal may be extremely weak, so it need amplification, demodulation and filtering. Next element is output transducer. It converts the electric signal at its input into the form desired by the system user. Some examples are loudspeaker, personal computers, tape recorders, etc. So these are the elements that explained here. Thank you.